5G. The term is most commonly heard in the technology sector today. This 5G will give more speed to this fast-paced world of technology. Now it takes at least 6 minutes to download a full HD movie with 4G. But when this 5G comes, it will be completed in just 3.6 seconds. That means understand for yourself how fast 5G is going to be. Compared to the rest, this 5G has a lot of hype. And why is 5G so special? How is 5G going to change our future? Are there any risks due to 5G? We will find out the answer to these in this video. Let's start our video without further delay. Welcome to my channel. In 5G, G stands for generation. Its first generation began in 1979 in Japan. We have seen 4 generations since then. Now about to step into the 5th generation. In the first generation we were only allowed to make calls. Then came the 2nd generation feature that also made calls and messages. The internet was then introduced in the 3rd generation. Now the speed has been greatly increased in the 4th generation. But tomorrow's 5G is like a father to all of these. Its speed is more than 10 Gbps, which is many times more than 4G. Now let's learn how 5G works. Usually the signal waves in 4G are very wide. So these travel a lot farther. These 4G signal waves can travel through walls and even trees. But in 5G these signal waves are very narrow. So it is difficult to travel through the trees and walls. In 4G, however, signals can provide the entire city with just one tower. But 5G has to have one antenna in every nook and cranny. Then it can travel much faster. The latency in 5G is also very low. That is, the speed at which data is transferred from one device to another. With this we can also play BGMI with very little ping. We can be a pro player ourselves. Internet speeds can be greatly reduced if more devices are connected in one area in 4G. But not so in 5G. A few lakhs of equipment can be used in one area. There will no change in speed. Until now, 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G have been limited to mobile phones only. But this 5G is not just for mobiles but for every smart device. In the future, everything in our home will be connected to the internet. We can only control these with 5G. For example, we are in Delhi. But in Hyderabad you forgot to turn off the TV in your house. No need to worry. You can turn off the TV from Delhi with your smartphone. Do not forget everything like that. We'll be scared to look at the electricity bill again later. In the future, doctors will also be able to perform these surgeries over long distances with the help of robots using this 5G technology. Then time and travel expenses are left over. Cars can also drive by themselves using this 5G. But no matter how many people are waiting for this 5G, many people are protesting to stop it. There is a widespread fear that these 5G signals could pose a threat to humans as well as other bird species. But science calls this 5G non-ionizing radiation. Scientists say that there is no danger of this 5G being kept at a slightly lower frequency without increasing the frequency. In fact, scientists say that we are more at risk from daylight than 5G waves. Therefore, if 5G comes into our India, it should issue instructions to the telecom companies not to increase the frequency. Otherwise our world would be Robot 2.0s. Already in our world, these 5G services have been launched in many countries. Now 5G is coming to our India soon too. So sell a kidney and buy a good 5G mobile. I made a joke. Buy a good mobile only after earning hard. If you like our video then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.